How to change avatar in Carrom Pool disc game. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Carrom Pool and want to give your avatar a fresh new look, don't worry, it's super easy. First of all, launch open the Carrom Pool app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account so your changes get saved. Once you're in the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your current profile icon and click on avatars. Now you'll be able to see different avatars available. Choose any one you want to change to. If you want your own profile picture, you can link your Carrom Pool game with Google or Facebook, and whichever profile picture you are using on both of the platform, it will also be your Carrom Pool profile picture. So that's it. That's how you can change your profile picture or avatar in Carrom Pool game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.